Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they'll try to catch them unawares.
Let's look at my list of things to do today. Have a nap, eat some lunch, have another nap. Oh, cheese and whiskers. So many things to do. Where do I begin?
Hello? 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 Hello?
I hear a hello, but I don't see anyone saying hello. What's going on?
Hello? Hello?
Who's making those echoes?
Well, that's what I'd like to know.
It sounded like...
I'm B1. B1. I'm B2. B2.
The bananas!
This is Pyjama-rific. Rific.
There they are.
Bananas? What's the meaning of all this shouting? Shouting! Oh, cheese and whiskers.
If you stand under here, Rat, you can make great echoes, Teddies.
We can hear the echoes, bananas.
Everyone can hear them.
They're very loud and very noisy.
We're sorry. We didn't know. We didn't mean to upset everyone.
From now on, we'll be as quiet as we can.
Something's wrong, B2. My throat is very sore.
So's mine, B1. And our voices sound all funny.
Oh, dear. You'd better come straight home with us. Sip it slowly, bananas. It's very hot. That hot lemon drink will help your sore throats. All that shouting made them sore.
And made your voices go all squeaky.
No, bananas. Don't talk. You've got to give your voices a rest. So no speaking till they're better.
We don't understand, B1.
Oh, you'd like more lemon drink? Certainly. It's going to be hard for you not to talk, bananas. But if you rest your throats, your voices will come back quickly.
There might be another way for the bananas to talk. You don't have to talk to talk.
What do you mean, Morgan?
See those birds? They talk to each other, but they don't talk like us. Maybe the bananas could find a new way to talk.
It looks like the bananas like your idea, Morgan. Let's just hope we like the idea too.
Dear, I'm so behind in my list of things to do. I hardly started my first nap. I'll just roll up my sleeves, hop to it, and get stuck in. Here I go. Bananas? Honking? Honking bananas? What are you doing, bananas? Yes, I can hear the honks, but what are the honks for? Oh, There's something wrong with your throats. And you can't talk. So you're going to honk instead. But Bananas, you can't be serious. Oh, cheese and whiskers. This will never do.
Would you like one of my honey cakes, Camembert?
Yes, please, Dolly. They do look delicious today. Actually, they look delicious every day.
Thank you. I'll have one myself.
Look there, it's the bananas.
Good morning, Bananas.
Well, I never.
Ever.
Thank you for helping me wash these windows, Topsy.
My pleasure, Bernard. Hey, there's the bananas.
Good morning, Bananas. Oh, my.
Bananas? They did what, Bernard? They honked. We'll talk to the bananas about it right away. Hello? Really, Dolly? The bananas startled you? And you too, Camembert? Okay, we'll see the bananas as soon as we can.
Understood. Thanks, Rat. Don't worry. We know all about it, and we'll be talking to the bananas.
Is this our fault? We did suggest that the bananas find a new way to talk.
But I never thought it would be honking.
Now, where are the bananas? Let's listen.
I hear honking.
Follow the honks. Bananas! Wait!
There's something we need to tell you.
Oh! Yes, it is a lovely day, but you see...
And it is a great time for a walk, but what you don't know is...
But Bananas, we want to talk to you.
The bananas won't listen because they're too busy honking.
Maybe they'd listen if we were honking too.
That's it, Morgan. We'll talk to them with honks.
But what can we honk?
Let's see Bernard. He's sure to have something.
You, want things that honk?
So we can talk to the bananas in honks.
I think I have what you want in my storeroom. You see, I used to be in a marching band.
Wow!
Honk, 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 we're the honking bananas today. Honk, 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 it's our new way to say hip hooray. We honk here, we honk there. In Cardlestown we're honking everywhere. Standing up, lying down, or sitting in a great big comfy chair. Honk, 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 we're the honking bananas today. Honk, 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 it's our new way to say hip hooray. We love the funny sounds we make whenever we go walking. It's better than a honey cake, this great new way of talking.
You might not listen to us talking, bananas.
So we're going to honk.
What do you think of this honk?
And this is an even bigger honk.
And here's a honk even bigger than that honk.
And a honk all together?
What a honk!
That was the biggest honk that's ever been honked!
We can talk,
And we don't sound squeaky!
and our throats aren't sore. Pyjama-rific!
It's like we said. You just had to rest your voices and you'd soon be better.
And the honking? Do you still want to honk?
Now that we can talk, we don't have to honk anymore.
Everyone will be happy about that.
And we won't make our throats sore again either!
Because it's too hard to make big echoes with just us. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1!
What if there were more people than just us? It's echo time! Ready?
Ready, B1?
Right, everyone, get set for the biggest Cuddlestown echo ever.
And the very last Cuddlestown echo ever.
Right, Lulu?
So let's make it good!
Banana-tastic! Tastic!
Oh, bananas! Bananas!
What a beautiful day, B2.
A very beautiful day, B1.
Hello, Pedro.
Isn't it a great day?
What a big sigh, B2.
A big sad sigh, B1.
Is something wrong, Pedro?
It's my mud.
Your mud?
What's wrong with it?
It looks like the same old mud to us.
That's what's wrong with it. It's the same old mud. It's the same mud as yesterday and the day before that. And you know what it's going to be like tomorrow?
No.
Exactly the same as always.
We know what you mean, Pedro.
If you have the same thing every day, it can get a little boring.
Like when we had green jelly for lunch every day.
But then we changed to red jelly.
And then yellow jelly.
And now lunch is never boring.
That's jelly, bananas. I'm talking mud here.
Maybe what works for jelly can work for mud too.
You should find some new mud, Pedro.
New mud?
Yes, there's lots of mud out there. All of it ready for you to roll about in.
You just have to look.
You're right, bananas. It's new mud for me. Will you help me find some?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's Find Mud for Pedro time! There's lots of mud here at the lake.
And there's different types of mud too.
There's some bubbly mud.
There's some really thick mud.
That's great mud for mud pies.
And there's very slippery mud.
I want mud I've never seen. A special mud. The best mud in the whole world.
We don't know anything about special mud, Pedro.
We don't even know what the best mud in the world looks like.
I know what it looks like. It's here. This looks brilliant. Whee! Oh, you lovely mud. Pedro is here.
But what about this rope around it?
Maybe we're not supposed to touch this mud.
This is the mud that dreams are made of.
Pedro's a happy pig again.
And we're happy that he's happy.
Hello, bananas.
Hello, Teddies. Have we got a story to tell you?
And it's all about mud.
We have something to tell you first.
About that cement down in the park.
No one is to touch it until it dries.
We're going to put a new swing on it.
Cement? Isn't it that stuff you mix with water?
And it looks like mud.
Is something wrong, Bananas?
If someone sat in the cement and it got hard...
Would they get stuck?
Probably. Why?
Oh no! Pedro! Pedro!
Huh?
Get out of the mud as fast as you can!
That mud isn't mud.
What are you talking about, Bananas? This mud is the best mud I've ever rolled in. Just look at this. Huh? I can't roll.
Can you move at all, Pedro?
Try standing up.
I can't move. How can I get unstuck?
Never fear, Pedro. Rat is here. Now, take hold of his arms, Bananas.
Yes, Rat.
Now, give him a good pull. The full heave-ho.
Full heave-ho it is.
1, 2, heave-ho, Bananas.
Heave-ho!
Oh, stop, Bananas! Stop with the heave-ho! It's no good.
With lots of soap.
Soap? Ugh.
It'll be okay, Pedro. It'll be like taking a bath.
A bath? Ugh.
We need buckets.
All the buckets we have.
Got them!
I don't like soap. I like muddy.
I think we've soaped you up enough, Pedro. You won't get any more slippery than this.
Try and pull Pedro out again, Bananas.
I think there could be a problem here.
Set.
What problem, Charlie?
Heave-ho!
That problem.
Oh, cheese and whiskers.
Sorry, Rat.
Pedro is now too slippery to grab hold of.
What else can we try?
We could crack the cement around Pedro with a great big hammer.
A hammer? Oh.
Maybe we need something gentler, Charlie.
You could be right, Amy. Yes. Extraordinary. Fascinating.
Shh. Charlie's thinking.
I think I have it. We'll free Pedro with bouncing.
Bouncing?
Bouncing. Come with me, Bananas. I need your help.
We're right behind you, Charlie.
They should be here somewhere. Aha! Here we are. My electric pogo sticks. I call them bouncer-bots.
Banana-tastic.
If we bounce around Pedro with the bouncer-bots, the force will gently push him up, like a cork coming out of a bottle, and Pedro will be free.
What a terrific idea, Charlie.
It might just work.
Will it be safe?
It should be very safe.
Absolutely safe. Trust me, I'm a rat. But just in case. Ready when you are?
Get the bouncer-bots ready, Bananas.
Ready?
Start, bouncer-bots. Now.
Here we go.
Hey! Oh, look at me!
It's working. Pedro's coming out.
Oh, my.
Whee! I'm free! And I've landed in some mud!
Should they be going that fast, Charlie?
No, they shouldn't. Bananas, you must press the emergency stop button. It's the blue button. But don't press the red button.
Got it, Charlie!
Press the red button.
No. to worry. I did plan for something like this.
I don't like the look of this, B2!
What bounces up must also bounce down, people!
We've got parachutes!
Whee!
This is fantastic mud. Maybe the best mud ever.
Hello, Pedro!
It's great to see you out of that cement.
Thanks to you, Bananas.
Is everyone okay?
We're pajama-rific!
What about you, Pedro?
Great! Look at this mud. It's the perfect mud I've been looking for. It's brilliant.
But Pedro, don't you know where you are?
It's my home. The perfect mud was here all the time.
There's no mud like home mud.
Bananas, you're right.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
Not this one, B2.
Let's try another B1.
How can you tell when a watermelon is ready to eat, Bananas?
By the sound it makes, Amy.
What sound is that?
When you tap it and the watermelon sounds like this.
That means it's not ready yet.
So what is the sound, Bananas?
Hear that, Teddies?
We hear it!
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am B1.
It's watermelon eating time!
It looks delicious!
Let's eat.
Scrumptious!
You know how to choose a terrific watermelon, Bananas.
Could we have some more, please, Lulu?
Don't eat too fast. When you eat too fast, you could get the hiccups. Oh dear, you did eat too fast. Bananas?
How did we get up here, B2?
I don't know, B1.
Gosh,
Those are serious hiccups.
How did we get down here, B1?
I don't know that either, B2.
the bananas have the biggest hiccups I've ever seen. They're bouncing around like ping pong balls.
They've got ping pong hiccups.
Here, Bananas, have a glass of water.
Don't worry, we'll hold you down.
Having a big glass of water can help stop hiccups.
Someone once told me that you should suck your thumb.
We'll try anything.
And I heard that you should stand on one leg. And rubbing your tummy might help.
And someone also told me that hopping is good too.
Look out, Bananas! Yow! Are you okay, Bananas?
Yes, thanks, Amy.
And your hiccups? Have they stopped?
No, they haven't.
Aim for Rat's shop, Bananas! He might have something to help you!
You know what the problem is here, Teddies?
What, Rat?
The bananas have ping pong hiccups.
We know that, Rat. Can you help them?
Can I? I most certainly can. I have a very old and very secret hiccup cure.
Secret?
A cure passed down from rat to rat from long ago times. What you are about to see will amaze you. So be prepared.
My guess is that it's something to do with cheese.
Behold the cure for hiccups.
Cheese?
Cheese can do anything. Haven't you heard the saying, some cheese a day keeps the hiccups away?
No.
Well, you've heard it now. All you have to do, Bananas, is nibble a little cheese, like this. Oh, so nice. Oh, mouth-watering. Oh, what a delight.
Rat, what about the bananas?
Huh? Oh, yes. the bananas. Just nibble away, Bananas. Trust me, I'm a rat. That's it. Nibble away. Oh, what bliss.
How do you feel, bananas?
We feel banana-tastic.
And pajama-rific too!
That's amazing! Cheese can cure hiccups.
Of course it can. Cheese can do anything. Off you go, Bananas. You're now completely cured.
Uh-oh.
Cheese and whiskers. This wasn't supposed to happen at all.
We're sorry about the books, bananas, but they will stop you bouncing.
It's okay, Amy.
We understand.
Can you help, Charlie?
I might have the very thing to help with ping-pong hiccups.
Great idea, Charlie.
You're a clever, clever monkey. Almost as clever as a clever, clever rat.
Here it is.
What will that box do, Charlie?
You'll see, Bananas. We just have to wind it up and wait. I'm sorry about that, Bananas.
But a surprise can sometimes cure hiccups. And if we told you about it, it wouldn't have been a surprise.
But has it worked?
No, it hasn't.
Will these hiccups
Ever stop?
They will stop, Bananas. I just don't know when.
We must be able to do something.
But we've tried everything.
There's nothing else we can do.
That's it. That's what we should do. Let's do nothing.
I can do that. I'm very good at doing nothing.
What I mean is, we do nothing about the hiccups, but we do something else. So the bananas will stop thinking about the hiccups.
And then the hiccups should go away by themselves.
Bananas, would you like to go and pick the rest of the watermelons?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am B2.
It's watermelon picking time!
This one's ready.
This one too.
And this one. Extraordinary.
Oh, there's nothing better than a little hard work in the garden on a beautiful day. After a nap, that is.
We have watermelons for all our friends.
Oh, be careful, bananas. Those watermelons are very heavy. The table might break.
A watermelon? For me? Wow!
Would you like one of my honey cakes, Camembert?
Yes, please, Dolly. Look there. It's... Well, I never.
Never, ever.
coming! Oh, goodness me, what a treat!
It's raining watermelons!
Running fast as we can, sprinting hard over land, moving legs, heels and toes, pumping arms, watch us go, swiftly cutting through the air, like a speedy startled hare. Let's run, gotta run, let's run. Let's run, gotta run, let's run. Let's run, gotta run, 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 run.
Oh, cheese and whiskers. I can't look.
But, Bananas, what about your hiccups?
Hiccups?
We don't have the hiccups!
See, I knew if the bananas stopped thinking about the hiccups that they'd go away.
A banana-rific idea, Amy!
You've all been so helpful.
Thanks, Teddies! Thanks, Charlie!
And don't forget Rat.
Where is Rat?
Oh, up here. Oh, this watermelon is no cheese, but I must say, it's actually quite delicious.
Oh, you rat in a hat!
I love visiting Charlie, B2.
He's always inventing something interesting, B1.
Something banana-tastic.
Something pyjama-rific.
Something we should hurry to see. Perhaps we should hurry slowly, B2.
Good idea, B1.
Here's my latest invention, Bananas. I invented it yesterday.
An ice cream.
But Charlie, ice cream's already been invented.
We've had ice cream forever.
It's not the ice cream. Press the small button on the cone and you'll see what I mean. It's my mechanical ice cream cone. Instead of you moving the cone as you lick and getting ice cream on your hand, the ice cream moves for you.
Jamarama.
Eating ice cream will be better than ever.
What's happening, Charlie?
They shouldn't be doing that. And the cone certainly shouldn't be doing that.
Ow!
Oh dear. Sorry, Bananas. I think they need a little fine-tuning. The bathroom's through there.
Thanks, Charlie.
Let's see what other new inventions I can show you.
We like that, Charlie.
Today I'm working on... Oh my! This can't be right. How extraordinary!
What is it, Charlie?
Nothing!
Nothing?
I have no other inventions to work on at all.
None?
Not a single one. What am I to do?
Perhaps you could...
Or maybe you could... Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's Charlie's holiday time!
You might be right, Bananas. Yes.
We'll start your holiday with a picnic.
Then we'll play some games and go for a swim.
That sounds excellent.
What are all those things, Charlie?
It's everything we might need for my holiday. Like this. Stand back. It's my umbrella-matic.
Perfect for our picnic.
I do like being prepared.
Have you seen Toll Story today?
No, we haven't.
He went for a swim on the lake yesterday and he hasn't come home.
Oh, no!
Where could he be? I'm so worried.
You won't be worried for long.
Because we're going to go and find him.
You will? Oh, thank you.
How will we find him, B2?
Well, I'm not sure, B1.
It's all right, Bananas. I have the very thing we need. This should do it. My pop-up speedboat.
Ha! Just when we think you can't amaze us anymore, Charlie.
You continue to amaze us even more.
Thank you, Bananas. I try my best. I think we're ready, Bananas.
This boat will help us search the whole lake really quickly.
We'll bring Tolstoy home, Thomasina.
Oh, thank you. I do hope you find him soon.
Let's move off, Bananas. Steady as she goes.
Aye, aye, Skipper.
Good luck. Oh.
No sign of Tolstoy yet.
We hope you're not unhappy, Charlie.
Why would I be unhappy?
This is meant to be your holiday.
Don't worry, Bananas. I'd much rather be helping Tolstoy than having a holiday.
We would too.
Oh, I see something.
Is it Tolstoy?
No, it's a rock. And it's straight ahead. You better turn and go around it.
Right away, Charlie. Oh no!
What's wrong, B1?
The tiller! It won't budge!
I'll help you.
Now it's stuck the other way!
It's stuck again.
Pull harder!
Oh, dear.
It's unstuck, B1.
Thank you, B2. Sorry about that, Charlie.
Charlie?
Oh no! We've lost Charlie!
Now we've got to look for Tolstoy and Charlie too.
Bananas!
Someone's calling us!
Bananas!
But who's calling us?
Oof!
Sorry, B1.
I'm sorry too, B2.
Here I am, Bananas!
It's Tolstoy!
We've been looking for you, Tolstoy.
And I'm happy you found me. My leg's caught in these reeds.
Not for long. We'll get you out.
Twist that.
Pull this.
And you're free!
Oh,
Thank you, Bananas.
no problem, Tolstoy.
But now we're all tangled.
Try and shake them off.
That did it. Great idea, Tolstoy. Oh,
Are you all right, Bananas?
we're fine, Tolstoy.
Now let's get you home.
Thomasina's very worried about you.
Then we should get home fast.
Fast it is, Tolstoy.
Something wrong, Bananas?
We can't go home yet. There's something we've got to do.
Something very important.
What is it?
We can't remember.
If only Charlie was here, he'd know.
Charlie! That's it. We've got to find Charlie.
Then we'll get home fast.
Why aren't we moving?
It's those reeds again. They've tangled the propeller.
Give it full power, B2.
Right, B1. Full power!
Be careful, Bananas. You don't want to lose control. Bananas?
We're back here, Tolstoy.
Oh, my.
Help us, Tolstoy.
Ow!
Slow the boat down!
Of course. Slow the boat down. I can do that. I can't do that.
Try again.
Please. Maybe this might work. That did it. But it didn't slow down the bananas.
attention. Here they come! And there they go. How extraordinary.
Charlie,
Tolstoy, you're safe.
thanks to the bananas, I'm coming to pick you up.
What do we do, B2?
We've got to slow down sometime, B1,
We better slow down soon.
because we're running out of light.
Goodness! Is that the bananas?
Hello, Thomasina.
Don't worry, Tolstoy's safe!
And he's right behind us.
Thank you, bananas! Bananas?
B1, grab the umbrella!
Grabbing now, B2. We got it.
It's working!
We're slowing down.
I'm so glad you're all right, Tolstoy.
Thanks to the bananas and Charlie.
Where exactly are the bananas?
They went that way.
Let's follow those tracks.
Excellent thinking, Tolstoy.
The tracks end here.
It's like they've just disappeared.
But where?
Up here.
Here we are!
You say I amaze you, bananas? But you amaze me even more.
We hope it hasn't been a bad holiday, Charlie.
We had lots of things planned, but we didn't do any of them.
It's been a wonderful holiday, bananas. And we can always do those other things tomorrow.
You want a holiday again tomorrow?
Not only tomorrow, but for the rest of the week.
Banana-tastic!
Could we join you?
I'd be delighted if you did.
Thanks, Charlie.
And I have just the thing to finish this holiday picnic.
Ice cream!
Ice cream?
Are they your special ice cream inventions?
Oh no, they're just normal ice creams.
Then we'll have one.
Yes, thank you, Charlie.
There'll be no more inventions today. After all, I'm on holiday.
Hooray!